Go na le lehelo le le pharileng hela mo nokeng ya toropo ya Rustenburg mo bokone bophirima. Lehelo le ke la borobasogo le le itsegeng ka go ngoka bajanala go tswa Gauhi le kgakala. Gompieno re tlile ha e seng jaaka bajanala kgotsa go tla go tlhaba kgobe ka mmutlwa, mme go thankgololwa lehelo la go entela twatsi ya COVID-19 ke la ntlha la mohuta wa lone mo nageng.
1, 2, 3, hey!
Then we took it a step further with technology. This is our temperature screening technology, which actually checks your mask and also take your temperature at the same time. If you happen to come here with your nose out like this will actually tell you that cover your nose and access not granted. If your temperature is beyond 38 degrees, it will actually tell you that your temperature is too high. This is the Super Bowl. The iconic thing about this place is that 40 years ago today, the Super Bowl was officially opened. The same day that we are launching it as a vaccination site. So that is actually a very historic moment. This is where the vaccination will happen actually. So you will go down the stairs, you follow those decals on the floor. There is a marshal that is placed here to give the direction, and there is a marshal on the other side to direct the people on where to sit.
And very often it's not about money. It's about using your infrastructural capability to assist the community in whichever way that may be possible or feasible. So for us it's critically important. The bulk of our employees reside in our immediate catchment area and their families. And that's why it's so important for us to be able to get to that mass vaccination, because we will cover our own employees in the workplace vaccination program, but what's important is the families of our employees that reside in the surrounding areas that we get to them too.
Ke la bogile thata gompieno morago ga gore ke register ka di 15 tsa June. Ke la bogile thata gompieno ka gore le nna ke wela mo dipalopalong tsa bangwe ba ba tlhabilweng ka Johnson & Johnson. Ga ke ka bua fela ka yone, ke tla bua ka yone ke le motsa karolo mo go tlhabeng lemao la Johnson & Johnson gompieno. Mme ga ke a utlwa letsapa lepe. Ke na le 30 minutes for now ke tlhabile ke observile for 15 minutes mme go fitlha ga yana ga gona sepe se se tshwanang le se ne se ntse se system before. Mme re rotloetsa batho gore ba tlhabe mamao a lefapha la pholo le re rotloetsang gore a tlhaba ka gore prevention is better than cure.
The second aspect of ramping up our vaccination is then the introduction of the mass vaccination sites. It's a new concept that we aim to then develop 8 sites in this province. Of the 8 sites, 3 will be in Bojanala. So we have the current site where we are. We have Ben Murray Hall in Rustenburg and the municipal hall in Madibeng, Bretts. Those are the 3 mass vaccination sites that will be developed in this district to at least be able to then cater for the increasing numbers that we want to vaccinate.
For us as a sector, it's important that we must also prioritize frontline workers. And we want to thank also the Coronavirus Council or the advisory on the vaccine to agree that the sector must be prioritized. Actually, in other countries, when they started with the health workers, they included also the frontline workers in the tourism sector, especially those working in different airlines, because they are directly exposed to the virus.
Go tlile go entiwa pele badiri mo tikwatikweng e ya Sun City ba go kaiwang ba heta dikete di le 7 mme morago ga moo
make it possible to almost have some element ya short left vaccination drive. Short left vaccination drive.
This is your favorite part, Mr.
One day, Grace, you must come here and vaccinate 2,000 people in a day.
So we go
There's a municipality called Moses Kotane. It's its people. There's a municipality called Bujanala, Platinum District. It's its people. There's Department of Health. There's Department of Tourism. the Sun City, make it possible that this site should be upgraded to a mass vaccination site.
Molaetsa go baagi ba ba santseng ba ikgatholosa melao le melawana ya COVID-19 mo sedikeng ke gore ba tla thanya lomapo lo le tsebeng. Nna o reeditse.